Hello and welcome back. In the last video you have seen on how to add the repository pattern, and we still got the issue of returning this nar. And as we've done in the previous videos, we are going to add what we call navigation properties, and I'm going to add them by using the repository pattern. And this is how I'm going to proceed. I'm going to minimize this postman and I'm going to close this for now and try to go into the product repository class, and this is where we're going to add the navigation properties. And we will see on where we need to add them, and we need to add them to the products and the product with the ID. And I'm going to go here before getting this product. I'm going to go ahead and press enter so as to bring this down, and I'm going to add include, and in this case I'm going to say that p goes to p dot product bland. And again I'm going to add the product types by adding this dot again, and I'm going to include also, and I'm going to also include the product types. So I'm going to say p goes to p dot product types, product type like this one, and after all of that I'm going to add the dot, and it is going to cast this to list async. All right, and also whenever I'm going to get the product by ID, I think this is where it is, I'm going to also add the navigation properties. I'm going to say include, and I'm going to say that p goes to p dot product bland, and again I'm going to add the second one, include, and I'm going to say p goes to p dot product types, product type, here it is, and then add the dot. You may find that this find async is not able to get our job done, and as we've seen, we can use fast or default or single or default, and there are the asynchronous versions for that too. So I'm going to say fast or default async like this one, and instead of putting this as the normal ID, you need to add the expression, because you can see that it's now complaining that cannot convert into system threading cancellation token. And you're going to get the lead of this ID in here, and you say that p goes to p dot ID, which will be equal to this ID that we're getting from the parameter. And after we are done with this, it's now time to go back into the postman and test if this is working. I'm going to go ahead and send the request again, and you can see that it didn't bring any change. And as I told you, when you see that there is nothing changed on your response, you can go back and try to stop the server and restart it again, try to send the request again, and see if you are getting the response as expected. So I'm going to go ahead and run the server again. And once our server is now started, I'm going to go ahead and send the request again and see. You can see that now you're getting the blands and types when we are now getting the product. You can also go and check for the individual product and see if we can still get the individual product with the types and the blands. So let's go ahead and send the request for product 2, and you can see that I'm able to get these. And wonderful, now it looks like we go back to where we started when we were introducing these repository stuffs, but at this point at least we're having the cleaner code, and we can be able to scale our code by using this repository pattern. Let me end this video here, and guys, I will see you guys in the next video. Please don't miss, and remember to hit the like and the subscribe if you are coming on the channel for the first time. Write in the comment if you get any issues with this one. I'm always here to help you, and this is a good progress. Congratulations.